Yeah.
I love that.
Even better today. Temperatures in the lower 60s, mostly sunny. Currently, it's already 48 in Central Park, but it is colder outside of the city, down in the 20s and the 30s. Some spots are even below freezing. That's the case in Poughkeepsie, 28 for you, 39 in Bridgeport, and 35 in Toms River. Wind speeds are lighter out of the west and southwest, ranging from 2 to 9 miles per hour. And that's one of the reasons why fire danger will be a tad bit lower today, because of a lighter breeze as well as slightly higher relative humidity. But it could turn elevated tomorrow as wind speeds pick up tomorrow afternoon. At least right now, skies are mainly clear and we'll see plenty of sunshine with high temperatures in the lower 60s. Heather?
All right, Brittany, Cross Island Parkway northbound Linden Boulevard. We still have an accident here. You could see delays coming off of the Southern State Parkway going northbound on the Cross Island Parkway. Then the Goethals Bridge to New Jersey. There is police activity there. George Washington Bridge looks terrific. No major issues to report. Both the upper and the lower levels very quiet. Springfield Avenue, this is in Summit both ways between Summit Avenue and Irving Place. It's a water main break. All lanes are closed. We've moved this closure and this is where it is. So definitely avoid that spot. If you're going to the train station, you may be affected. Alternate side of the street parking rules are in effect. Charlene, Pedro, over to you.
Heather, thank you.
Never more than 7 minutes away from weather and traffic together. Get ready for a really nice day. So as you get the kids ready for school, temperatures in the city in the 40s, but in the suburbs down to the 20s and the 30s. Layers are key because this afternoon, most of us reach highs in the 60s, mostly sunny and a lighter breeze. So not as windy as this weekend. So temperatures in the 60s above normal, but it will be a tad cooler near the south facing shoreline, all thanks to a sea breeze with those numbers in the mid to upper 50s. Tonight, skies are clear. We fall down in the 30s and the 40s, and then we hit repeat again tomorrow. So a high of 64. Winds will be stronger Tuesday afternoon out of the southwest, ranging from 8 to 16 miles per hour. So fire danger could be elevated Wednesday. That's when we start to drop down to 53, and highs stay in the 50s for the rest of the work week. Heather?
All right, Brittany, let's talk about this. This is Queens, Cross Island Parkway, North Linden Boulevard, an accident. You can see heavy traffic coming off of the Southern State Parkway, getting onto the Cross Island Parkway. Traffic is at a complete standstill here because of that accident. And then a commuter alert, Goethals Bridge, New Jersey bound, police activity. 2 lanes are blocked off through that spot. George Washington Bridge behaving very nicely. No major issues there. Springfield Avenue and Summit both ways between Summit Avenue and Irving Place. Water main break. All lanes are closed. That's where the Summit train station is, just to give you an idea. Street cleaning rules are in effect. Pedro, Charlene, over to you.
Heather, and get outside. Temperatures in the 60s for most of the area. Even right now in the city, we are already stepping out to 48. Skies are mainly clear and winds are lighter too, so things are improving compared to this weekend. A breeze out of the west-southwest near 9 miles per hour. So similar conditions all across the map. Wind speeds down to 2 to 9 miles per hour, and we'll stay in this neighborhood throughout this afternoon. So that's one of the reasons why fire danger is a tad lower, because of a lighter breeze and slightly higher relative humidity, but still pay attention to those local burn bans. Temperatures in the suburbs in the 20s and the 30s, 43 in Danbury, but Poughkeepsie, you're below freezing, down to 28. The same in Morristown, 30, and 35 in Toms River. But watch what happens later today. We climb into the 60s, mostly sunny, but it will be cooler for the south-facing shoreline in most of Suffolk County because of a sea breeze. Down to 57 in Brookhaven, Coram, 58 for you, and Quag 57, but even those cooler temperatures are still above normal for this time of the year. Skies are clear, and that's setting the stage for a fantastic sunny day, all thanks to high pressure, keeping rain and cloud cover away from us. So throughout this afternoon, mostly sunny, temperatures the 50s and the 60s. This evening, still clear, and more the same tomorrow, mostly sunny, similar temperatures in the 60s. The only change is that Tuesday will be breezy throughout the afternoon. Looking at the bigger picture, this cold front comes in late Tuesday into Wednesday, dropping us down to the 50s on Wednesday, and temperatures stay in the 50s Thursday and Friday. Clouds increase Thursday too, all thanks to an area of low pressure offshore sending in extra moisture our direction. Looking ahead to this weekend, this approaching area of low pressure will bring us potentially soaking rainfall on Sunday, which we do need. At least today, 63, sunny, winds out of the west-southwest, 5 to 10, so less breezy. And then tonight, 44, clear and mild. Tomorrow, 64, we do it again, mostly sunny. The only change is that it turns breezy throughout the afternoon. Winds out of the southwest gusting up to 8 to 16 miles per hour. For the remainder of the 7-day forecast, we get down into the 50s on Wednesday and Thursday, upper 40s, lower 50s. Friday, partly sunny. This weekend, the 60s return, but clouds increase Saturday, and there's a chance for rainfall on Sunday. Heather?
All right, Brittany, we're going to zoom in and talk about what's happening here as you travel onto the Cross Island Parkway. So this is on the northbound side of the Cross Island Parkway, right near Linden Boulevard. You can see how heavy that traffic is. That is because of an accident that is in the process of being cleared away, but really heavy delays, so you definitely want to avoid that. Now, as you go on to the Goethals Bridge, heading into New Jersey, that's where we do have some police activity. So 2 lanes are closed as you go through that spot, but it looks great here at the George Washington Bridge. No major issues to report getting into both the upper and the lower level. Alternate side of the street parking rules are in effect. Charlene, Pedro, over to you.
Brittany, Heather.
You're never more than 7 minutes away from weather and traffic together. We are in for a taste of spring today and tomorrow. Sunny, warmer, and less breezy. So as you get the kids ready for school this morning, the 40s in the city, but the 20s and the 30s in the suburbs. This afternoon, we all reach the upper 50s and the lower 60s. That is well above normal for this time of the year. It will be cooler along the south-facing shoreline thanks to a sea breeze, so you'll only reach the mid to upper 50s, but that's still above average with plenty of sunshine. This evening, skies are clear. We fall down the 30s and the 40s, and tomorrow we do it again, a high of 64. Winds increase Tuesday afternoon out of the southwest, ranging from 8 to 16 miles per hour. And Wednesday, we drop to 53. We stay in the 50s for the rest of the work week. Heather?
So usually Monday.
Yes. That's the motto today. Fantastic weather, sunny, warmer, and less breezy. More of the same tomorrow. So as soon as you step outside in the city, we're situated in the mid to upper 40s. It's 48 degrees, and we have winds out of the west-southwest near 9 miles per hour. Similar wind speeds all around the map, much lighter, between 2 to 9 miles per hour, and we stay in that range throughout this afternoon. So that's one of the reasons why fire danger is a little lower today. Also, relative humidity is a tad bit higher, but still make sure to heed the burn bans. Tomorrow, it could be elevated because winds increase tomorrow afternoon out of the southwest up to 8 to 16 miles per hour. We have to wait until Sunday for our next chance for a significant rainfall. Temperatures are in the 20s and the 30s outside of the city, 37 in Sussex, below freezing in Poughkeepsie, 28 for you, and Islip, you're near 41. But we take these numbers in the upper 50s and the lower 60s later today, feeling fantastic with plenty of sunshine. Temperatures will lean more so towards the mid to upper 50s, closer to the south-facing shoreline because of a sea breeze. So Freeport 58, South Farmingdale 59, and Babylon just shy of 60. Skies are clear, and this is setting the stage for a sunny day, all thanks to high pressure that's settled just south of us, keeping cloud cover and rain away from the area. Throughout this afternoon, quiet, sunny, the 50s and the 60s, and this evening still clear through tomorrow. A copy and paste type of situation, sunny and mild again. The only difference is that winds are stronger Tuesday afternoon, but not as bad as this past weekend. Looking at the bigger picture, late Tuesday into Wednesday, a cold front comes in, and then we drop down into the 50s on Wednesday, but still looking at sunshine and clouds. Thursday turning mainly cloudy thanks to this area of low pressure that will pass us offshore. Easterly flow will send in extra moisture our direction. And looking ahead to Friday, partly sunny with temperatures in the 50s. For this weekend, we'll be watching this area of low pressure that will bring us a chance for rain on Sunday. But today, 63, sunny, less breezy, winds out of the west-southwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Down to 44 tonight, clear, and then tomorrow, 64, warm and sunny again. Southwest winds increasing to 8 to 16 miles per hour Tuesday afternoon. For the rest of the 7-day forecast, temperatures down to 53 on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday in the 50s. This weekend, the 60s 60s are back, but then we'll see more rainfall Sunday with a high of 66. Heather?
Yeah, and Brittany, we are going to talk about how busy this morning is. It started out busy since the start, and this is where we have this accident on the Meadowbrook Parkway south of the Northern State Parkway. All lanes are closed down, so all that traffic is being diverted, and actually it looks like they reopened those lanes, so that's the good news that I have for you. Cross Island Parkway, as you head onto the northbound side, right near Linden Boulevard, there is an accident. If you look through the trees here, you can see that that traffic is just bumper to bumper. It looks like all lanes are closed down as a result of that. Alternate side of the street parking rules are in effect. Charlene and Pedro, over to you.
Brittany, Heather, thank you.